This week we make a complex rum and coffee cocktail with an explosive flavor. Stick around. I can't believe I get to film on location for the Escape to Molokai episode. It's amazing our budget is so big now I can fly to actual Molokai in Hawaii. Ah, Molokai. What an escape. Feel that sun. We're really excited this week to share one of the most flavor-intense recipes we've ever come across, the Escape to Molokai. This recipe comes to us from Oriol Elias, as featured in the ever-bountiful modern cocktail book, Minimalist Tiki. Now what Oriol has come up with would seem to be an attempt to blend a classic zombie together with a Krakatoa, borrowing elements from both, such as multiple juices, unique flavors and spices, coffee elements, and of course, 3 rums. Ultimately, he manages to bring together a large variety of ingredients, everything from bitters and absinthe to pimento dram and passion fruit, a classic lineup of juices, and that powerful set of rums that all balance out into an unforgettable drink. But first, before we go any further, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. All right, let's start this monster out with 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounce of orange juice, 3/4 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1/4 ounce of agave syrup, a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup, we're using Liquid Alchemist, a bar spoon or teaspoon of Pimento Dram, we're using St. Elizabeth, a 1/2 ounce of coffee liqueur, we're using St. George, 1.5 ounces of an Agricole Rhum, we're using Rum JM Gold here, 1 ounce of a Jamaican rum, they actually call for Myers, so we're gonna use Myers single barrel, a 1/2 ounce of Plantation OFTD overproof, a dash of Pernod or Absinthe, and finally, a full dash of Angostura bitters. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. Add a couple ice cubes to chill, dilute, and agitate. Shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Also just sounds cool. All right, we're gonna serve this in a large chilled brandy snifter. Fill it with crushed ice. Now, strain it in. Ooh. So this cocktail, just like its huge amount of ingredients, also has a large array of garnishes as well. So let's start first with the grated nutmeg on top, a few skewered cherries on a stick, a mint sprig, let's just slap it to wake it up a little bit. Very nice. And finally, some pineapple fronds in the back. Stick a straw in, if you can find a place for it. And there it is, finally, Escape to Molokai. Let's see how this monster turned out. Obviously you get the mint and the other garnishes right off the top on the nose. Wow, it really is an explosion of flavor. Every time I have this cocktail, I always think that there's cinnamon in it, but because of the way that the juices combined with the allspice dram and the OFTD kind of brings those spice-forward flavors all the way to the front. And the absinthe kind of hides in the back, but the coffee you really get on the very end. It's a surprisingly well-balanced drink considering how complex it is. So if you manage to assemble all the ingredients to make this beast for yourself at home, congratulations. And let us know what you think of this recipe in the comments below. And until next time, cheers. Sorry guests, my hands were touching all the ice. Tonight there's only 2 people at the BadgerCo bar though.
I'm not doing that.